This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 6, Slideout, water heater, DVD player, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, microwave, LP detector, oven, stove-top burner, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS is 10,877 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.